Hello everyone. Uh, in this session, we'll just deal with the exercise number 2. Okay, we are gonna just have the basic idea about how to deal with the simple CAD models. As I could say, at the corner, the sketch is available. So according to that, we're gonna deal with this. Yep, I'll choose the default in system inches, so I'll rename it as exercise number 02. In Creo file we should not define any space there, so I'll add this. It is active now. You can choose the front plane. You can simply click on this icon sketch, so it will automatically orient as we have explained in Creo basic user interface settings. In options, in the file and options, you're gonna get it. Okay. I'll just draw the top view first. You can simply select the rectangle to deal with this. Even we have the center rectangle, that's better for us now, so I'll choose it. Once you're done with this, press middle cursor button twice to come out of this. Okay, now to deal with the dimensions. Here this should be 3 mm for me. I'll mention 3, not mm, inches. So here it should be 4. Okay. Once you're done with this, you can able to see these. Okay, you can place it however you want. It is from the center. We don't need to worry about the center distance. Okay. Now I need to draw the 2 holes. That should be of 0.655 inch. So I'll do the same here. Okay. I'll select the circle from here. I'll draw one here and one more exactly here. Now automatically dimensions will be defined, right? Even you can choose the dimension to add the diameter value. So here only directly you can choose it to make the changes. This should be 0.655 for me. The radius should be that much. 0.655 by 2. Will it take? Yes. So I do need to define the dimensions from this side. So I'll add it as the distance is 0.655 again, and double click on this distance and mention the same. Okay, it is equal to this. You don't need to worry about this. So between these two I don't know, but from the top edge to this it is 2.345. I'll do the same. I'll go to the dimension from here to here. I'll specify. So I'll again do the same from here to the center. It should be 2.345. Okay. And from here to here it should be again the same value. I'll simply double click on this. It should be 0.655. Okay, I'm done with these dimensions. And anyway, it will be the same from this side. I'm okay with this now. Can exit the workbench to extrude this particular sketch. The extrude dimension is 0.625. So you can go to the extrude and mention the same here. 0.625 mm is the distance. Click on OK. So I'm done with this basic. Now here the next thing is to deal with the sketch again. So this time I'll select the planes from here as well. You can select it. Okay, if you want you can even select from planes from here as well. Right now I cannot select from here. Yeah, so you can choose it, as well as from here also you can do it. So on this plane I need to sketch. I'll select it. Now here I'll draw the again one more rectangle, simply not from the center, from the corner. So it will automatically snap this edge as a reference. I'll take this one. Okay, now the dimension part, it is 1.250. okay, and total distance should be, for me, I'll select the dimension, I'll click on this line, it should be 2.5 for me. Okay, that is done. The height total should be 2.625. You can double click on it and you can make the changes. And I do need to assign the fillet at this corner. The fillet radius is 0.5. You can choose the fillet from there. There is circular fillet and others. I'll simply select the circular fillet. Between these two, the value should be I'll come out of this and I'll make the changes into this. The value is 0.5 inch, and here also the same. Not 0.6, it should be 0.5. Okay. Now at the center I need to draw the circle of 1 inch. So I'll select this center circle. I'll draw it somewhere here. Once you're done with this, you can escape. 1 inch. Dimensions I need to define. Anyway, this is fine, not an issue. I do need to define this one. This should be 1. Okay. This is fine. I'll exit now. Click OK to come out of this. Now I need to extrude it. So to extrude from the mid plane, we have the options here. In the drop down, you can select the different options. As you could see, extrude symmetrically both sides. The dimension should be for this is 0.5. Okay, that's fine. Click on green check to come out of this, and then I need to apply the fillets at the corner. So that fillet should be 0.12. You can even choose from here fillet and chamfer. I need the round fillet here as well as here. The value you can modify. That should be 0.12. Sorry, 0.12 there, and 0.12 at the bottom, at this range. I think I do need to apply here as well. I'll apply the same. Okay, you can simply click on OK to come out of this. That's fine. You can even hide these planes if they are making the issues. You can select this option to remove these. Okay. This is fine. This is perspective view shaded with edges. If you want, you can activate. scene occlusion, if you want you can select. These are the few options. Okay, fine. Let's deal with the next steps here. We are done with the front as well as the bottom top views. Now next thing is to just deal with the bottom view. There also I need to draw some of the sketches. So this time to deal with this particular stuff, I'll simply select this particular plane to work on. I'll select the sketch. So at this region I need to draw a simple rectangle again, like this. That is a cutout actually. The dimension of this cutout is 2.2, this should be, and the depth should be 2 and the height should be 0.25. this is and I'll select the dimension from here to here. It should be 0.875. okay, and then this height should be, so it is making these should not be the same, so I'll remove this equal so that I can enter this value here, 2 point. Okay, this is done. So this should be the cutout for me. I'll click on OK, and you can use the this option itself, extrude, to deal with this. This time I'll select the remove material. Direction you can change it, so here you can make it through all, so this will remove the material up to the next surface like this. Okay, well these are the basic steps we have done, so this is fine for us, not an issue. Okay, now finally I just need to apply the round fillets at the corners. So for that I'll simply choose the diameter of 0. Radius of 6.55 to deal with these. Okay, so I'll go to round fillet, and here I'll mention the value 0.655 is the value, and these are the edges which I need to deal with. Okay, so you can simply click on green check, and the thing is I do need to make the changes into this particular hole. Let it the definition. Still not this height. This particular sketch I need to make the changes. I'll go back to this, and here this should be for me 0.312 diameter. Okay, yep, this is okay. I'll come out of this. Yep, this is the final sketch model which we have created. Okay, now we'll also deal with the drawings of this particular component. So I'll simply click on new drawing, drawing number 2 I'll mention here. Okay, click OK. The standard type it is asking, so I'll go with the C itself. I'll click on OK. Okay, so the standards automatically it has taken into account. Okay, and then these are the layouts. As you could see, new sheet you can create, and the sheet setup if you want to modify here. Right now we are not gonna deal with these all the steps. So there are annotate option. We have the show model annotations. If I select all, you can able to see the dimensions will be taken into account for the model, which and all the dimensions you have added, that will be taken into account. Okay, so I'll add all of them for now. So once you add all the dimensions, if you don't want any of these, you can directly delete them. Okay, so here I don't want this, even these, the location I need, the diameter anyway I need it, the diameter of this has been mentioned, 0.31 is okay. The radius is also mentioned, fine. So this is how you can able to deal with this one. Okay, now to add the default view, we can select the general views from here, default all. I'll choose it, and you can select the standard orientation and the default orientation as respected, so that particular view will be added here. Okay. So this is how you can place the views accordingly. So these are the dimensions. Thank you, stay tuned.